Do you want to know how you can log into your Dayforce Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your payroll account on your Dayforce. So go ahead and search for Dayforce Payroll Login on your Chrome OS browser or your Google search bar, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this portal, which is the official login portal of Dayforce Payroll. So the first step is to write down your company name. Then after you write down your company name, go ahead and write down your username. And you can also write down your email address over here. So you can either write down your username or email address. Now the third step is to write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure you check it by clicking on this icon over here. The final step is to click login, and this way you can successfully log into your Dayforce Payroll account. If you can't access your account and are having problems, this is the link for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.